Mike Chioda checks with all three competitors. They say they're ready. And the Beast Ben realizing that they may team up against him to take him out of the equation. Lesnar has taken control.
Remember Paul Heyman said Brock Lesnar promised to.
Lesnar just shoves him down again. And now Lesnar with a running clothesline. And one of the most dangerous men in history. And another German
that he possesses.
Ambrose. Coming off the top. And now the lunatic Prince Dean Ambrose, who's shown no fear despite getting pummeled. Not wise.
I admire the temerity.
And belly to belly from Brock.
To do that. Look at a triple threat match. Sometimes you got to get a little.
Triple threat rules.
And you don't have to do the damage. You just have to do the one that.
Lesnar caught him. Bear hug.
I told you.
Ambrose and dropped him right on his head. It has been all Brock from the get-go. Big smile on the face of Lesnar. German super Roman Reigns is.
We saw him dig down as deep as I've ever seen. Like Roman Reigns not only had a chance.
And another German. John, this may be a major mismatch if this keeps up. Going for an F5 early. Brock Lesnar with an F5 to Roman Reigns.
Almost incredulous look on the face of Brock.
And Brock's saying, are you sure you...
I mean, Dean has been sort of an anomaly to Brock.
He just slapped Lesnar. Ambrose just slapped.
Hype. All the marketing.
No, he's nuts.
That too.
Knee, and now he's going to pay for it. Because Ambrose, welcome to Suplex City. Great in the ring.
Dean Ambrose playing the part.
And another German.
Of a wildebeest.
Tried to instigate Brock Lesnar.
But more importantly, Byron, at this point, Lesnar's got this tool.
Yeah, we talk about the Serengeti.
And another one.
Here is
and did you
playing with the prey before he decides to end it.
5 to Roman Reigns, looking to give one to Dean Ambrose, and now Reigns with a spear! A spear to the... Watch this! Boom! Loaded! Superman punch!
He knew he had a chance of getting pinned.
And now Reigns...
Oh, my God!
Oh, my... And now Ambrose low blow! Legal in this match!
That is the one tool that Ambrose used to disable Brock Lesnar, and it works again.
Take out Brock, and it's... You take out Brock, and it's one-on-one with us, buddy.
They know that the only way either one of them is going to WrestleMania is you better find a way to put...
Has been cleared. And Ambrose and Roman Reigns. To the days of the Shield. The Beast! The Beast! The Beast is down! Absolutely incredible. Shades of the Shield.
Friendship ends right here.
I told you. Proving it. Ambrose.
Hard.
There's the reason why we said brother versus
Here's Ambrose. Ambrose takes down Reigns. And now they're on the running Bulldog. Ambrose good
part of this.
Ambrose off the top rope, delivering the flying elbow. Reigns down. Is it Ambrose? In a main event WrestleMania.
The chance of a lifetime.
Ambrose looking for a net. Two friends exchanging blows. Runs into a boot. Oh, wicked clothesline. And you have to. Lesnar stirring. The Beast incarnate starting to move.
last thing. They see Brock coming.
Oh my God, oh my God. Now Ambrose has got Lesnar again. And now Roman Reigns in this contest. Oh, and Lesnar driven into the...
Get out of here, guys.
I think they both know the only chance.
Oh, goodness, are they going to try to do this a second time to Brock? Reigns and Dean Ambrose. Oh, again, Lesnar.
Will that be enough to keep him down?
Brock, but twice to drive Lesnar to the table. This is the second time. Now Roman Reigns with the... And Roman Reigns burying Lesnar. And Ambrose.
Reigns doing whatever they have to do to reduce and eliminate the threat of
after Ambrose, and the brothers are fighting again. Reigns, who may have been Roman up over the top, shoulders down for Ambrose. Roman Reigns looking at the... Oh, the Superman! Ambrose! Dirty deeds! Ambrose and Reigns both down. Center that simply says WrestleMania.
That's all the motivation you need.
Ambrose, is he going to go for dirty deeds a second time? Up high, Lesnar's back in the ring.
No way! That is a man who got powerbombed through two.
Suplexed. Two.
Man, how did he do that? Lesnar back on his feet. Roman Reigns measuring his man. Spear by Reigns. Spear a lock. Lesnar's got it locked in. Submission move. The Kimura. The Kimura. Legs wrapped around the body of Reigns. The Kimura's locked in. And Ambrose with a chair to the beast. Another one.
And we called Ambrose the man code.
Another driven out of the ring by a chair. Spear by Reigns.
Your winner, Roman Reigns.
What an incredible match.
Are these 70?
Nice for Edge to get into a slugfest with the Phenom here in this matchup. Oh!
You made a good point earlier about the fact that it's easy to overlook Edge's streaks.
In order for the Undertaker to win that title, he's got to pin the champion or get Edge to submit. Undertaker has waited nearly a year to
Fighting under the Undertaker's skin, and while doing so, remaining the World Heavyweight Champ.
Undertaker can really take his time with Edge here tonight. Oh, he's got Edge where he
Has to face the Undertaker head on, face on.
Vintage Undertaker.
There's a lot of reasons the streak continues, Michael, and I think one of the reasons that the Undertaker
The dead man. Each and every year, the Undertaker adds more and more to his repertoire. Undertaker went from old school Edge, countered, but Undertaker
in the last year.
has never been able to defeat Edge. He must tonight to win the world title and keep this the brunt of the Undertaker. But it appeared Undertaker may have got hung up on the rope as he came over to beat that 10 count back in the ring. Or else Edge is going to retain that.
The Undertaker has to beat Edge.
Oh!
Great shot. Will do whatever it takes to walk out of here the World Heavyweight Champ.
Ultimate up. Undertaker at a count of 5, trying to make it back in the ring. And Edge, the master manipulator. Rated R superstar calls himself a predator, and he's preying on the Undertaker. Oh! Edge said he was going to step up to
Undertaker be methodical, Michael. Now Edge can be methodical. Oh! In using
what almost seemed to be sort of a twisting neck breaker by the world.
But I think right now Edge realizes that he belongs on this huge
champion.
But sometimes you have to tell your head that you belong there.
Oh! Edge. Make no bones about it. Edge realizes tonight is that maliciousness in which Edge has been stalking the Phenom.
Well, I think Edge now realizes that at a WrestleMania like this to beat the Undertaker.
Resilience, showing it yet again. Oh, and Edge. Cross body, let him press, hooks the leg. Like the choke slam. It's in the Undertaker's repertoire. Oh! The top rope. And Undertaker, and there's the veteran instinct. And this buys the Undertaker some valuable time.
Oh! Time to deal.
World champion as Edge's head snapped back.
Oh my goodness!
This is absolutely amazing. It is all about the world. Like he did. And what a veteran move by the Undertaker there. Oh, rolling back in the ring.
Despite the pain.
Oh, vintage Undertaker. Now Undertaker into the cover. Championship on
the line. Do it.
Edge. The world champion in deep trouble.